All right, you guys, I'm so excited. Y'all know I'm a big fan of Beauty. I made a video over the Beauty Black Magic lipstick, and guess what? They have a sister brand, by Sharon C. And well, you know I had to get all of them. So these are high sheer shine lipsticks. They also say they're smooth like butter. But I'm gonna try them all and I'll let you know what I think. Beautiful. All right, so far it really does feel like butter. This is so soft. It smells really good. It smells like mint. So beautiful. This is like a very natural pink. All right, lips clean, and now the next one. I love this. This looks juicy. My lips look plump. Now the next shade. I feel like you just don't get tired of applying. This has to be my favorite so far. This one is the shade Thirsty. Every time I just become more and more in love. Now we have High Key, which is a little more of a burgundy. See the color change? It is so beautiful. And you guys, these aren't even expensive either. They're only $7.50. This is giving hot girl fall. And the last one is this beautiful red. This is giving Christmas Eve. Peppermint scent, sipping on some hot cocoa. Can y'all see how juicy it looks? Can y'all see on camera? Uma did this. I am so impressed. Top two favorites would have to be the Loud, which is the red I have on my lips right now, and Thirsty. Y'all, TikTok shop got me. It got me. I'm not mad about it because this is the best purchase I've ever done. This literally makes curling your hair so easy, and it gives you that like blowout look. I'm about to show y'all, like, so easy. Hold up. You put your hair in here, and then just click the button. Does it for you. This is called the Beach Waver. The amount of time this is saving me, I also do not burn myself with my fingers, and it gives you that like Dyson blowout look. Look at this. I'm obsessed. Let me show y'all again. Where has this been my whole life? Thank you, TikTok shop. Thank you. I'm literally gonna link it right here because I'm obsessed. I'm so happy right now. I can't even. Let's see. Hold up. Perfection. Perfection. Also, I just want to say I did buy this. This was not gifted to me, and this is not sponsored. I'm just truly obsessed, and there's no gatekeeping here. Not on my TikTok. All right, I'm almost done doing my hair, and it's been like a total of 8 minutes, which is a record of all time. But I'm actually doing like this thing I saw on TikTok where like you curl it while it's in a ponytail and then you put it down. So it gives like a super blowout look. So let's get back. Well, I mean, I'll just show y'all once I'm done. All right, this is my last piece of hair. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna put my hair down. This is just what I saw how to do it online. And then, hold on. Got a little knotty. And then let's put this out. And now, let's flip my hair. Hi. Oh my God. Stop. Oh. What is this? Oh my God. Yo. I think this might be the best my hair has ever looked. Hold on. I am so obsessed, but let's touch up some pieces that are a little straight that I didn't reach. Oh my gosh. The volume is giving. All right, take this down. You're welcome. All right, let's bring this down. Wow. I'm so excited. Look what I got. I got the Makeup by Mario foundation that I've been seeing all over TikTok. Everyone has seen it. If you haven't seen this, I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, I wanted to wait to try it for the first time with you guys. I feel like this is going to be truly the best, why can't I open this, foundation for me because I have dry skin. So before I even put on foundation, I have to put like oils on my face and all of this stuff to make it look dewy. So this, the Holy Grail. So I've heard a lot about it having like glitter in it. It doesn't have glitter, but it definitely does look very dewy and like just shiny, which is my type of foundation. All right, let's prime our skin first with the Lawless Hydration Primer. This is what I'm using. It smells really good too. It literally feels like a serum. I love it. Here we go. There we go. It's so pretty. I feel, wow. Oh, this shade is everything. I actually went up a little bit shade because I was at Sephora and they said I was matching between 2 shades. And I wanted to go with the lighter one because this one looked too dark for me, like when I put it on my hand. But the lighter one was sold out. So I was like, well, I'm not missing an opportunity to get this foundation. So I just bought this one and I actually think it's perfect for me. So I'm so glad I went with this one, especially because summertime's coming up. I'm going to Mexico next month, so this is perfect. This is literally gliding on like butter. It feels extremely hydrating. I am obsessed. Y'all don't understand how long I have longed for a good foundation. And you know when you just feel like you can trust someone? I feel like I can trust Makeup by Mario. Like, I've never met the guy, but I just know I can trust him. I cannot express how obsessed I am with this. I would agree that if you have oily skin, this would not be the foundation for you, but for me, that's not the case. So I'm obsessed. It is extremely dewy, glowy. It is everything I look for in a foundation. Normally, I have to add things underneath my foundation to get this look, and wait, hold on, look at it. Look at it from further. This is what my face looks like with just a foundation, no blush, no concealer, nothing. So I'll be right back once I finish my face, but I am obsessed. All right, I wanted to show you guys with natural light. This is the final look. I am so obsessed. Look at this glow. This is my new favorite foundation. Just run to Sephora and get it now. Let's try new mascara products. As you can tell, I have really long dark lashes, but they just go down. Like, look how long they are. But they're like this. So for me, mascara is crucial. It has to be amazing. I just received these 2 from Lancome. One of them is white and the other one is the mascara. I've actually never used like a white one underneath, so let's try it. First we curl. Look at the difference. No mascara, just curling it. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and in the box it says it's extreme lifting and curling, so that's the type of mascara I need. Okay, this looks amazing. Oh my god. Okay, this is the final look of the lashes. You guys, this is giving. I actually don't think I've ever seen my lashes this curled. I would give this a 10 out of 10. All right, let's try these volumizing roller clips. I'm so excited. Y'all know I love the blowout look, and I've seen these go viral. So let's try it and see if it really works. As you can see, my hair is pretty flat right now. A little ASMR. So it shows that there's different ways to do it. You could do it like this on your bangs, or you could do it like sideways. But we're going to do the little... All right, it brings 2, and they're clips literally with rollers. Wait, so it says it's recommended to use like 2 like this. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to grab half of my bangs and clip this half. Okay, so it says for volume to clip it as close to the root as you can. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes. Like that. All right, so now we clip this one as close to my root. Okay, this is a vibe. I can already tell it's going to work. Like, I feel it. You know what, guys? I just bought this from Ulta. And it's a texture spray for volume, so I'm going to spray it. So it's been like 15 minutes, so I'm going to take it out. Let's see. Wait, hold on. It says to bring it out like this. Ow. What the? Hold up. Let's see. Ow, am I supposed to pull it? Okay, wait, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, volume. Wait, this thing really worked. All right, you guys. So I would say I like this. I definitely like this. And I am going to be keeping these.